Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2006 Buick Rendezvous. Stock number is A6729A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look in the hatch. The back seat does fold down to provide you with additional storage room if you do need more space. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise and audio controls mounted here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Dual climate control and dual heated seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Buick on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.